Hey VanGang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is LaToya Princess, and this is the official start of Vanuary. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. And Vanuary basically is something we dubbed January because my birthday is in January, and I will be hitting you with lots of videos. There will be lots of hair reviews, lots of different type of videos this month. Definitely some hauls coming up, so stay tuned for that. But in this video, we are going to start it off with this review on some red hair, some burgundy hair that I got from Unice hair. This is their 99J. So in this video, we are going to be doing start to finish styling, and then I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this wig. So stay tuned for this video and more to come, okay? So we're gonna start with an unboxing, and then we're gonna get into the styling, and at the end of the video, I will let you know my initial thoughts on this hair. So stay tuned for the first video of Vanuary.
Shorty bad, slim, big. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the
So today's video is a collaboration with Unice hair, and I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing before I get to the tutorial. So the first thing inside is a satin satchel, and I'm going to be showing you all the contents in the box. See all the goodies that you get. So of course the hair is in there, but we're gonna get to that later. Let's get into what's inside this bag of goodies. So then you get a wig cap in the color nude, you get a tail comb, okay, and then you also get some chandelier earrings and a pair of mink eyelashes. So this unit is the 99J 13x4 lace front wig, and it does have 3 combs and adjustable straps. Okay, so let's get into styling. I quickly hot combed the hair going backwards, and now I'm going to put this on my head, and I'm going to try a new technique. I'm using the Got To Be spray to lay my wig down, and this is my first time doing this technique, okay? So I'm also going to spray on the top of the lace as well, and now I'm going to add I'm going to use the comb to pull my hair back, and then I'm going to add this elastic band to kind of like hold it down. I'm using the tail part of the comb to create like a C part because I know that I want to do like some Hollywood glam curls going backwards. So I added some of Design Essentials Silk Essentials oil, and I'm just working that into my hair using the brush. I like to split my hair in two, brush the hair out before I start to kind of curl it. So I use the hot comb, and I use this wax stick to kind of like make my parting space more visible. And yeah, I'm just making sure my part is just as good as possible. Like I like it to look kind of like perfect. Okay, and the wax stick definitely helps tame the hair. Okay, and I'm hot combing it just to make sure that parting space is sitting, okay? I'm going to be doing some curls in my hair. Okay, so you want to start, I decided to take it's been some time, so I decided to take the elastic band off and start cutting the lace because I do want to lay my baby hairs as well. So now I'm just cutting the lace off, and again, this is my first time using this technique, but I really loved it. I loved it so much, I'm going to start using this technique more often. It's less messy, less cleanup. And it was kind of easier, honestly. It was way more easy. If you're on the go, this is a great technique because that spray dries really fast and it holds. So now I'm just going to add baby hairs. I just know I want baby hairs right here. Like I just want 4 little baby hairs. They're going to be dramatic baby hairs, but 4 dramatic baby hairs, not like, you know, a whole bunch of them. So yeah, I'm just making sure I'm putting it in the same place on both sides. And I definitely want to do sideburns. I usually use my own sideburns, but this time I was like, this is red hair, so I'm going to use the sideburns from the hair. So I separate that first, then I put some spray to kind of like sit it down a little bit because I'm about to put the elastic band back on to separate it from the hair. And while that is drying, I'm going to be curling my hair. Okay, so I center it down the middle, and then I kind of like, you know, start to create sections. So it's one big section, and then I do 2 sections on this side, and then I start to do it one by one. I always start from the back because it's easier to kind of like get that out of the way. And I'm using a smaller curling iron. It's like a medium size, but this type of curling iron is going to make your curls last longer because they are smaller. So I love this curling iron for that reason. Well, this size curling iron. I do want to invest in a new curling iron. I like that white curling iron that everybody has been using with the rose gold on it from Sephora. I really like that one, so I might invest in that. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to keep doing the same thing in each section until I am completely done. I am curling backwards, and I like to start from the root because that's the part you want to get hot. If you start from the ends of the hair, then the root wouldn't get hot because the ends of the hair are wrapping. So you need to wrap from the root of the hair and then take a little bit out and release. Start to wrap some more, release a little bit more. Wrap some more, release a little bit more. That's my technique and how I get my curls to be so flawless. Okay, so now that I'm done with that side, we are going to skip along to the next side of the hair, and we're going to do that same exact thing that we did on the other side, except we are going to be going backwards with the curls on this side. Okay, so we're making sure the curls literally go towards one another in the back. Okay, in the front, you're going to see them going towards the back, and I like that look better than the hair coming to the front. Okay, so I start from the back once again, and we're basically doing the same exact technique. So we're going to skip around to the top of the head, and we're going to do a few curls right here so you can see. And then we're going to get back into those baby hairs, okay, because the baby hairs, I did something new as well, and I really liked it. All right, so this is the final curl. Okay, and now it's time to take the elastic band off. And as you can see, the hair is laying down a little bit. So now we're gonna cut those baby hairs a little shorter. We're not gonna cut it too short. We're just gonna cut it short enough. All right, and I do want them to be a little dramatic. I'm going to use the smaller curling iron to curl those baby hairs. So I'm going to create 4 curls, and then what I do is I spray the edge brush before I start to mold the edges. Okay, so that's the part you're not seeing. I'm spraying the brush with the Got to Be glued spray, and then I'm molding the baby hairs to how I want them to look on my face. This one, I probably could have cut it a little bit more because it was a little long. But I think they still came out pretty good. I'm doing the same thing with my sideburns. I want them to be slightly dramatic, especially because on one side you're going to see it more than the other. And I am done. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned for more information on this unit. Okay, I am back, and I love how my hair came out so much. I think it is the perfect length. It comes like right here, curled. It's a little longer. It comes down to my hips. Honestly, it's kind of long, but I think this is a good length right here. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. So let's get into the specs. So this hair is from Unice Hair. This is their 99J straight wig. It's a 13x4 burgundy lace front human hair wig. Okay, that is the full name of this unit. I do have talking points for all of my reviews. So this hair is 150% density, and this is a 24-inch. As far as shedding, I did not receive a lot of shedding. I have not been receiving any tangling, or any snagging. This hair is already colored, so I wouldn't say that you could color it. You probably could color it darker, but lighter, I do not think so. This hair can be flat ironed, it can be curled, it does hold a curl. I've actually been wearing this hair off and on for about 2 weeks, okay? So when I initially did the styling portion, I also recorded an intro and an outro. For some reason, those files got lost, so I had to just record this portion over, and this is the intro and the outro. And honestly, the hair is beautiful. I've been wearing it and it is absolutely beautiful. I would definitely recommend it. Wash routine: when you wash, the hair is going to bleed because it is colored. It was not like messy or anything like that. I didn't have like red all over my sink. I didn't have red like dripping. It wasn't anything like that. It was very low maintenance as far as how much burgundy was coming out, so that's a really good thing. As far as products, you can use products for red hair, or you can use products for colored hair. I would definitely moisturize this hair and keep it moisturized as much as possible because it is colored. You do not want your hair to, you know, just get damaged, especially if you're doing something like flat ironing and curling your hair. Because the hair is colored, you would want to keep it moisturized and hydrated. The only product that I use is the Design Essentials Silk Essentials Oil on this hair. It helps moisturize the hair, hydrate the hair. It smells really good. It also is a heat protectant. When I have colored hair, I love this product the most because it penetrates the cuticles and it strengthens and bonds your hair. This product, I just add a little bit to the palm of my hand, and then I rub it in, and then I just distribute it throughout the hair, from root all the way down to the ends of the hair. And as you can see, it looks really healthy. It does not look dry. It has a very nice shine. It is not too silky. It is not too shiny. It doesn't look, you know, plastic or anything like that. So I would definitely recommend that product. And pretty much everything since I've gotten this hair has been very low maintenance and easy, so I would definitely recommend it. And if I had to give my rating, it will be a 10 out of 10 because I have not one con, okay? So I will leave the links to Unice hair and this direct link to this wig down in the bottom bar for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if y'all have any comments or feedback, anything like that, you can leave that down in the comments and I will get back to you. I thank y'all so much for watching. Do not forget to come back to this channel for Vanuary. I have more videos coming soon. I love y'all so much and I thank y'all for watching. I will speak to my next video. Bye y'all.